Have you ever wondered what makes an organic fertilizer truly organic? It's not just a buzzword. Organic fertilizers play a pivotal role in the health of our gardens and crops. They're a cornerstone of sustainable agriculture. Let's delve deeper into what makes a fertilizer organic. So, what exactly are organic fertilizers? You might ask. Well, organic fertilizers are quite simply substances derived directly from plant or animal sources. They are nature's way of recycling waste into nutrient-rich food for plants. Not only do they feed your plants, but they also improve the structure of your soil, making it more fertile and conducive to plant growth. They encourage the proliferation of beneficial soil organisms and promote healthier, stronger plant growth. These benefits make organic fertilizers a gardener's best friend. But how do we create these organic fertilizers, you may ask? Well, it's a fascinating process that involves common materials like compost, manure, and bone meal. These materials undergo a natural decomposition or processing phase that breaks them down into nutrient-rich fertilizer. Compost, for instance, is made from decomposed kitchen scraps and yard waste. Manure from animals and bone meal, a byproduct of slaughterhouses, are processed and sterilized. It's a natural process that yields a powerful tool for gardeners. Now that we understand what organic fertilizers are and how they're made, how do we use them? Well, using them is quite simple, really. Organic fertilizers are best applied to your garden during the start of the growing season. They should be spread evenly across the soil and mixed in well to ensure a balanced nutrient distribution. Remember, these fertilizers are a part of a well-rounded gardening strategy, not the whole solution. With careful use, organic fertilizers can help create a thriving garden. So, there we have it. A brief insight into the world of organic fertilizers. We've explored what they are, how they're made, and how to use them. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!